Hello everyone, welcome to Indie Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to create a glitch effect on Photoshop, and it's a really a cool effect. I have seen in multiple designs. I hope you guys gonna love this one. And for that I'm going to use my old design that I made a tutorial last week. So if you wanna learn, check on the description list below. And without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So here we are in Photoshop, and let's make this layer a black and white layer. There are like a couple of ways to do it. So one is go to image, go to adjust, and there's an option called black and white. Just click on that one. Then I'll just make it a little darker. Go over here, click on curve. Let's make it a little darker, and then let's bump it a little bit up. I think this looks pretty good. I'll just merge it, select this layer, Ctrl E. I'll just merge it, and then let's make a copy, Ctrl J. And from the FX tab, click on blending option. And from the advanced blending, you can see the channel, red channel, green channel, and blue channel. For now, I'll just take off the green and just keep the green and blue. Make a copy again. Go to the blending option, and again from that one I'll just take off the green, let the blue only, and again make a copy. Go to the blending option, and then I'll just keep the red and turn off all the channels. Select the layer and use the arrow key to move left and right, and you can see the effect. So here maybe something like this. Select the layer one, let's move it on another way. I think this looks pretty good. Same thing, select the layer, alright. Now select all layer, make a group, Ctrl G. Let's make a duplicate, Ctrl J, and right click, merge group. Now select the rectangular selection, and let's make a selection, and using the arrow control and press control and arrow key to move it. And this part gonna be a little time consuming, so just keep on moving left and right, or press control and arrow key. Let's move it in this way. And let's select over here, same thing. So yeah, now let's add some like line pattern. So for that, create a new layer. Let's fill the layer with white color, and go to filter, go to filter gallery. Let's click on halftone pattern, and from here change it to line, and then let's increase this. Let's play around with this line size. I think like 1 and contrast 2 will be good for me, so click OK. And then from here let's change it to soft, I think overlay or soft light. I think overlay looks good to me, so I'll just select an overlay. I'll just and drop down the opacity a little bit. And let's import this image, drag and drop over here, and then Control T, let's put it in the exact position, and let's drop down the opacity a little bit. Select a layer mask, go to brush, and let's erase this part. Change the brush opacity. Let's erase some of this part. And then let's reveal the text part. So alright, that's the final, and I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial, and see you guys on the next video.